Hi, so this is the Lab 6 Activity 1. This ladder diagram is for illustrator of conveyor motor setup. This ladder diagram needs us to turn on the motor and automatically off after the sensor sense that the object arrived at the end of the point. So this is the ladder diagram that we create for fulfill all the tasks from the lab sheet. Okay, first of all, we need to run this ladder diagram. It might take some time because the system is running. Okay, so the first step that we need to do to turn on the motor and turn on the green lamp, and then the red lamp will automatically off. To move the conveyor, first we need to push the push button or change it to the normally close. As we can see, the motor is running, the green light is light up, and the red lamp is turned off. Okay, after 5 seconds, it will automatically off at the motor and the green lamp indicator will automatically off too. And back to initial condition, red lamp is turned on because from the task given, we need to use the proximity sensor. Just because it don't have here, we need to replace it by the timer in 5 seconds. So we assume that in 5 seconds, in between 5 seconds, the object will move from checkpoint to the end of the checkpoint in between 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, we assume that the object already arrived at the end of the point, so the motor will automatically off and green light indicator also off. That's why we use the timer, because we don't have the sensor. Okay, but the method is the same. The aim of the diagram is the same, just the step or the flow is different. But even though the red lamp is turned on and the motor is turned off, at this line there is still a current, so we need to change the push button in initial condition as normally open. And this is the stop push button. Their purpose is for the emergency for the conveyor, and it will force the motor will stop automatically. So we push it. Okay, and this is the initial condition of the ladder diagram before we push the push button to turn on the motor. So that's all from me for this activity 1. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Nasri, and now I want to present about activity 6.2. Okay, as you can see, this is push button start, push button stop, timer, relay, and then the relay will energize the motor and the green lamp. Okay, now we run the simulation. Okay, as you can see, when the push button stop energize, it will energize the relay at the red lamp, and the red lamp will energize. Okay, then we start the push button, the timer on, wait 3 seconds, and then the relay, and then the timer will energize the relay, current flow to the relay, and the relay will energize the motor, and then the motor will energize the green lamp. Okay, that's all for the 6.2. Thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Nasri, and my number metric is DE 2072. Okay, today I want to present about lab 6 activity 6.3. Okay, as you can see, when PB stop, when we don't do anything, red lamp is energized. Okay, now I push the PB start, push button start. Okay, the timer 1 will energize 3 seconds, or energize and energize timer 2 5 seconds. Okay, and then the timer 2 will energize the counter to energize the relay at the red lamp. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rashid bin Rasul, and I will explain about activity 6.4. And the application in 6.3 will be upgraded further so that conveyor system will be running continuously. The operating sequence as follows. Initial stop indication lamp is activated when start button is pressed. Timer will start count for 3 seconds and then run. The indication lamp will be activated. Motor is running, so object will start to move. Pulse time will start to counter for 5 seconds. So the indication lamp will be deactivated, and stop the indication lamp will be activated and the motor will be stopped. So this will be repeated as loop sequence. The emergency stop push button will be used to stop motor at any time. This question means by at the initial condition for the red lamp, which is stop, will be on, and then when we push the start button, the green lamp will be activated after 3 seconds, and then after 5 seconds, the red lamp will be activated and then stop the motor and the green lamp. So for the question 2, sketch and design a proper diagram for this application and demonstrate the application using OpenPLC. So I already sketched and designed the ladder diagram using PLC. This is I'm using push button stop, relay, counter and timer, relay, red lamp, green lamp, motor and relay. So this is the initial condition where the red lamp is on, and this is for the time counter for 3 seconds, and then this is for 5 seconds. So this is the initial condition, and when we push the push button start, we push through, so the counter will start to count to 3, and then the relay is on and complete the circuit. Green lamp is on and motor is on. After 5 seconds, will be off, and then this continuously repeated. So when the emergency happen, this is the push button stop for the emergency. So uh, we need to press it, push through, and then the red lamp will be on, and then this sequence and loop doesn't continuously. So this is for my explanation. Assalamualaikum and thank you.